Good job, man. Woo!
Nice job.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm glad because it's yours.
Okay.
You get to keep it, man.
Do you remember? Do you remember?
That was an awesome foam.
All right, guys, so this is it. Today is the day that we are giving away the SSR 70. I'll lay that out for you here in a second, but for right now, I'll just show you what I've been doing. I've been cleaning up the bike. I think it looks good. Definitely looks better than our bikes usually look. I changed the oil. I cleaned out the carburetor. I put a new stator on it. So we're gonna load this up. We're gonna get going. As you may remember, we did a contest. We are giving the bike away to somebody who is a viewer. We haven't met them yet, but they live like 20 minutes away. They invited us to come and hang out and ride at their property. They want to give the bike to their neighbor, who we have also never met. So we're gonna load this thing up. We're gonna go down there. Honestly, we haven't really planned this out too well, coordinated how this is gonna go down. So I don't know exactly how it's gonna work. I'm thinking it's gonna be something like we're gonna go ride, hang out, the neighbor's gonna come over, and we'll be like, well, here you go, you could ride this one. You could ride, we'll let you ride this one. Cut to the neighbor, rides the bike, has a good time, loves it, and is super excited until the point where we have to leave. The neighbor's gonna be like, oh, woe is me, my life sucks because I don't have a dirt bike. And then we're gonna be like, no, wait, you could have this. This is yours, you get to keep it. It's yours. Take it.
Hey, Dad.
Yeah.
Am I live?
So I don't know if that's how it's gonna work out or not. Usually when I plan things out, they never work out like that anyways. So however it works out, whatever happens, it's gonna be awesome. So let's go. Just about the end of the day. We've been having a good little riding session over here at the Logans. Huh, Mason? This has been fun, huh? Step 4, we got these like creepy neighbors over here. See them? There they go. Hey, how are you guys doing? Somebody want to ride? Have you ever ridden a bike before? Okay, let me see if I can find someone to give you instructions. 1 second. Mason, come here. Hop on. You're gonna show these kids how to ride. Come here. Okay, Mason. You're gonna go show these kids how to ride, okay? Alright. Alright, hey guys.
Hi. Hi.
This is Mason.
Okay. I'm Mason.
And he knows how to ride this bike really okay. He's really kind of okay at it, alright? So Mason, tell him how to ride it.
How to start it, you use, come over here. You use this, push it down here, but it has to be...
With your foot.
Yeah, with your foot. Dad, do it.
Okay, but first, hold on. First it has to be in neutral, which you pull this thing, this shifter all the way up to the top, and then when it rolls, that means it's in neutral, okay? This is the gas right here, but it won't go anywhere until you push it down once, and then it's in first gear, and then you can give it gas and it'll go, okay? This one over here is the brake. There's 3 gears, so as you get going a little bit, you could step down on this again, and it'll go into second gear, and it'll go a little bit faster. Okay? Mason, go grab your helmet real quick.
Okay.
And what's your name?
Joshua.
Joshua? What's your guys' names?
I'm Audrey.
Audrey? Are you related at all?
Yeah, we're brothers.
You're all siblings? Do you get along?
Yeah.
You promise? You don't fight or anything, right?
Family.
Like you get along like family? Okay.
Why are you wearing? Why did you put the helmet on me?
Because he's gonna ride it for the first time.
R2D2. Okay.
Okay, so I'm gonna get it started, and then remember it's gonna be in neutral. So this is the gas. And this is the foot brake, remember? Okay? You want to... Yeah, let's practice hitting the brake first. Practice hitting the brake with your foot. Yep, there you go, that's the brake. Okay, now practice hitting the gear. Now practice giving it gas. There you go. I guess we should have covered steering. I forgot about that part, but right. He's doing really good. I think he's got it, so we're good. Holy crap, slow down. You're going so fast. Good job. Were you in first gear the whole time, or did you go into second gear?
I went in second gear for a little bit.
You did?
Yeah.
Do you want to try third gear?
Sure.
Okay, we're gonna try it again. Here, I'm gonna start it for you. You have to go all the way up to get it into neutral. Okay, so go ahead and give it gas. Try going into third gear and then try and go back into second gear. So you're gonna pull it back up with your foot to go back into second. So go down 1. There you go.
Might be a bit big.
Whoop.
Yeah, it might be small for you.
All right, here it comes.
Break.
Good job, man. Woo!
Nice job.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm glad because it's yours.
Okay.
You get to keep it, man.
Okay, but you don't get to keep my helmet.
You don't get to keep the helmet though. You got to give the helmet back. But you can keep the bike. As long as you keep riding and have fun on it, you can keep riding it.
Okay.
All right, there you go. Enjoy your new bike.
What?
I'm so used to 2 strokes that I just got back on a 4-stroke because this is a 4-stroke.
Wow.
I hate when that happens.
I was seeing if the ice would come out, and then my mouth goes out, and then it just falls out on my head.